So once again, welcome guys, welcome back to AIO. Hope you guys are fine. Let's start the unboxing. Today we are going to unbox a smartphone photo kit which comes with a 2 camera lens, a selfie stick and a tripod. At the front of the packaging, the company has given a detailed information about the products inside the box. When we move to the back side of the packaging, we get the product images. The images of the tripod, the selfie stick and the lenses. So now let us start to unbox the package. The packaging of this product has been done in a very compact design. Now you can see all of the 3 products, the tripod, the selfie stick and the 2 lenses. Talking about the build quality of these products, it's not good but it's okay for this price range. The durable, lightweight, flexible tripod is adjustable to fit and make it compatible with most 3 inches to fit your smartphones and cameras. Tripod legs are very flexible thanks to its series of ball joints which enable 360-degree rotation. The tripod is about 6.5 inches in height and can easily fit into your smartphone, camera bag, backpack, purse or even your pocket. Now let us talk about the second product, that is selfie stick. The selfie stick has a compact pen mini-sized design that is 7.5 inch in size that can slip easily into your pocket and is extendable up to about 2.7 feet to allow for amazing selfies. Here comes the third product, and that is the camera lenses. The quality of these lenses is pretty good at this price range. It has also got a safety cap for the lenses. This footage is from the lens. So hope you like the video. See you next time.